Hello everyone, Paula here. I am here with a journal share. This one is inspired by Nick the Booksmith, her Pakrratt journal. I watched her video on the cover part and then put a little twist on it and pretty much made it my own way. Other than the outside is kind of like what she did because I love it. It looks so cool. And this was an old book that I had from a garage sale, and I put the spine back on like she did on one of hers, and I used what is this? Oh my goodness, that really heavy fabric that you use on furniture. Why that word won't pop into my head, I don't know, but I know y'all are trying to tell me what it is right now. Oh my gosh. Anyways, it has two signatures in it. And the way I did my spine was I glued this really thick piece of chipboard to the fabric on the inside. And then I sewed my signatures in. And then I glued this over the threads, just so it doesn't look like it's kind of like a hidden spine, only I just did it a little bit different. And yeah, I super love it. It's so cute. I just love the way it feels in your hands. And inside I just used one of my little collage pieces that I made for a pocket and put in these two journaling cards. I just used some random papers, and this will lay flat. I don't know why I have it up like that, but it will lay flat. And I just did some paper ruffles. I didn't decorate this too much. I just kind of used random papers, and this is an old calendar, but I love this because it has the bee and the flowers and the butterflies, everything I love on there. And it was a piece of calendar that my friend gave me, so I used, on this side, I made a little pocket and stuck that piece in there. And then these two little journaling cards. Oopsie. I've been so busy all day already that I'm like, I have to stop and do this video. Some Edith Holden page, some pages out of this really old music magazine, like the Top Hits type magazine, and some graph paper. Did a little Martha Stewart punching, and this page was from can't remember if it was from Irene or the Old Design Shop. Can't remember, but it's an old botanical page. Everything's coffee dyed in here. This folds out. These are Tsunami Rose pieces right here. Small paper. I tried not to decorate it too much because it's supposed to, you know, I did want it to be kind of like a Pakrratt type journal. And for who bought this, she can fill it up with her own goodness. And over here I made a little pocket. This is a little booklet of just lined paper. I just ripped these pages and kind of put them opposite in here. And this is an old, I think this is Tsunami Rose coffee dyed envelope here. I did put some pages in here, some decoration out of just what was on my desk at the time. Did some sewing on some of the pages. And over here I did use some more of my little, I don't know, I'm into that right now apparently, is the measuring tape tabs. And I tried to make my pages all different sizes and shapes because I really like that. When I'm flipping through a book, I love that. So that's just what I did. And this one is a coffee dyed with a doily. And I just made, it's the other side of that calendar page. And I just glued this page to it and made a little open journaling spot on there, and then made a pocket out of it. and put this journaling card inside. I'm going to put it over here because I want this little tabby to be the opposite of this one. I'm weird like that. And a little doily, another sewing, another little Tsunami Rose snippet piece right there. And that is the first signature. And I really need to start using a lot of my cardstock because I have so much cardstock and I really want to use it. So I thought making these kind of journals I can use a lot of that up. And this is just a layered tag that I made. Stuck in there. And botanical book page, doily, another calendar piece that I thought was gorgeous. I don't know, I just like these two together, so I put that in there. And a book page tag pocket. And I put this journaling card in there. I'm going to put this one down here so these are opposite. And then I stuck this vintage card in there. I thought that was so cute. I love that. I stuck these in there, and that's some Tim Holtz tissue paper. This right here, I used this tissue paper on this tag right here and sewed around it. Then over here, I just clipped this on, and it's just like a little read it on only flip side over there, and I added my little extra piece right there. And this is a little journaling spot, and you can journal right there, and then you just fold that back over and then put the little clip on there. It's kind of like a little hiding spot. Over here is one of these beautiful bird cards that my friend Vonnie gave me, and you open it up, and this is from Mrs. Coggs, I believe. And I put that in there, and then this flips over as well, and then you can just open it all the way, actually, if you wanted to. I just think those cards are so gorgeous. I love those. And then some washi tape on the spine of this because it's super old, and I just like to reinforce it to make sure it doesn't break. Some more of that botanical page, and I just glued this card on here and put some lace with a tab. And over here I made a pocket out of it after gluing it, you know, on the three sides, and I just made a pocket. And then this flips, and a little snippet spot right there with this beautiful journaling card. And a little sentiment, life is too short to wait. And over here we have these two big journaling cards. I tried not to decorate too much, but I just can't help it. I just can't. This is one of those little flappy journaling things that I made. I don't even know what to call it, but I love it. I just folded this piece of cardstock over, and then I sewed this little journaling card to it, added some lace, and just sewed around that, and then added a booklet underneath it with some coffee dyed lined paper. And then I just sewed that in as well, and then you can just fold it over like that. It kind of decorates both sides. I love making those. Another little pocket with a postcard, and a little cluster right there. Another little cluster spot over here. Another one of these handmade Frankenpage tags. Tuck that in. And just fold out. I love this. So pretty. Some more Edith Holden. And on this side, I sewed around this page and glued it on and made a pocket for this beautiful tag. And I put that up on that side like that. And here's the other part of the calendar. I know this part's upside down, but I wanted this part to be upright, so I didn't close it shut because I just think it's so gorgeous. Oops. Sorry about that. And this is coffee dyed paper. Sorry about that. Oh my goodness. You know me. I can't go make a video without my phone ringing. little flip up, flip down with some washi tape. And in the back, we have these two. And I put this little beaded smiles right there. I just think that's so cute. I love it. I love making those kind of tags. And it has a little make it happen on there. And then this is the back. And in this pocket, I have these two. And this is another one of my little, little things I made. I don't know what to call them. But I love them. Collages, there you go. That's the word. But yeah, that is my little version of the Pakrratt. And I super love it. Thank you so much for watching. And oh, I'm also making these Rita Donnelly Rolodex cards. And I'm going to try, if I remember, to send one out with all of my journals. So this will be like a little bonus, and you'll get like my little information and stuff on there. If you ever want to look me up on my Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube and all that good stuff, well, you'll know where I am on YouTube because you're watching me, right? But yeah, thanks for Rita for giving us this idea, because I absolutely love these. Miss Rita made me one, and I love it. It's so stinking cute. And this weekend, I'm going to make me a little Rolodex so I can put mine, when I get them from other people, put them in my little Rolodex box. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe if you're not, and if you are already, thank you so very much. Love all of you. Hope you have a wonderful day, and see you soon. Bye-bye.